Hello friends, I'm Dr. Kainth with Maple Primary Care, and I wanted to share another healthcare hint with you. So today, as I sit on my back patio after a long day of work, I wanted to share a few tips on how to decrease your work stress. Remember that your work stress can negatively affect your physical and mental health, and so there are some things that you can do to change that. So, step number one, have some work boundaries. Now, what do I mean by work boundaries? For me, my main work boundary is that I do not open up my computer or look at patient charts when I come home unless I need to for urgent medical matters. So that's one way that I try to prevent myself from overworking. Number two, try to have some type of a routine, and it could be anything, some type of a physical act or a mental act to tell your brain that work mode is shut off and now you are in a different mode. So for me, that means coming home and changing out of my scrubs, changing out of my uniform. That tells my mind that we are done working for the day. Obviously, that changes if there's urgent matters that need to be taken care of. Now, last thing, how to help yourself during your workday. The biggest thing is schedule work breaks. Now, if we tell ourselves, oh yeah, I'm going to take a break, you and I both know that never happens. You've actually got to put it in your schedule. So don't schedule meetings back to back. Don't schedule phone calls back to back. Actually put in your schedule break time. Now, it doesn't have to be that long. It can be 15 minutes. It can be 5 minutes. Just make sure that you rest your brain in between some of your work duties. I hope these tips helped you to think about how you can decrease your work stress. I'm Dr. Kainth with Maple Primary Care. If you like what you see, please follow me at Healthcare Hints with Dr. K.